Receiving a rejection for your YouTube monetization application can feel like a gut punch, particularly after pouring countless hours into creating content that you believe is valuable. However, this setback can also serve as an important learning opportunity, pushing you to refine your approach and elevate your channel. Understanding the reasons behind the rejection is the first step towards overcoming this obstacle and setting yourself up for future success. One of the most common reasons for rejection is policy violations. YouTube has established community guidelines and terms of service that all content creators must adhere to. If your videos contain hate speech, harassment, misinformation, or other prohibited content, they may be flagged during the review process. This violation doesn't just affect your monetization application. It can also harm your reputation within the YouTube community. Therefore, it's crucial to thoroughly review your content for any potential violations. Ask yourself whether your videos foster a positive and respectful environment, and make adjustments as needed. Another significant reason for rejection is the presence of reused content. YouTube values originality and creativity, and if your channel features content that appears to be copied or repurposed without adding significant value, it could lead to rejection. This often includes videos that rely heavily on clips from other creators or content that lacks a unique perspective. To combat this, focus on developing your own voice and style. Consider how you can take existing ideas and present them in a way that is distinctly yours. Engaging storytelling, personal anecdotes, and unique insights can help you stand out and demonstrate your originality. Advertiser-unfriendly content is another critical factor. If your videos contain adult themes, graphic violence, or other content that advertisers may find unsuitable, your monetization application is likely to be rejected. It's essential to consider your target audience and the types of brands you want to attract. Aim to create content that is not only engaging, but also aligns with the values of potential advertisers. A good practice is to regularly review your videos and assess whether they would be appealing to a wide range of advertisers. Low-quality content can also lead to rejection. If your videos are poorly produced, lack clarity, or fail to engage viewers, they may not meet YouTube's standards for monetization. Invest in good equipment, take the time to edit your videos properly, and focus on delivering value to your audience. High-quality visuals, clear audio, and thoughtful editing can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived. Remember, the goal is to create videos that viewers want to watch and share. Copyright claims are another common pitfall for aspiring monetizers. If your videos use copyrighted material without permission, such as music, images, or video clips, you risk having your application rejected. To avoid this, ensure that you are using royalty-free or licensed content, and always give credit where it's due. Familiarizing yourself with copyright laws and understanding fair use can help protect your channel from potential issues. Active community guideline strikes can also affect your monetization eligibility. If you've received strikes for violating YouTube's policies, it's crucial to address the underlying issues that led to those strikes. This may involve reevaluating your content strategy, seeking feedback from viewers, or even taking down problematic videos. A clean slate will not only improve your chances of monetization, but also enhance your credibility as a creator. Invalid click activity is another factor that can lead to rejection. If you or your viewers engage in practices that artificially inflate views or clicks, it can trigger a negative response from YouTube's algorithms. This includes clicking on your own ads or encouraging others to do so. Instead, focus on organic growth strategies that foster genuine engagement with your audience. Building a loyal community takes time, but it's worth the effort in the long run. If your channel is on a non-monetizing agreement with YouTube, it's essential to understand the reasons behind this arrangement. Reach out to YouTube support for clarification and determine what steps you need to take to move forward. Transparency and communication with the platform can often lead to a clearer path towards monetization. After receiving a rejection, the first step is to review your channel meticulously. Examine your content, metadata, and overall presentation. Ensure that everything aligns with YouTube's policies. The rejection email you receive will typically outline specific reasons for the decision, so take the time to read it carefully. This information is invaluable as it will guide your revisions and help you understand what needs to be addressed. If you genuinely believe that your application was unfairly rejected, you have the option to appeal the decision within 21 days. This process allows you to present your case and clarify any misunderstandings. However, be prepared to provide evidence and rationale that support your claims. When the time comes to reapply, remember the waiting periods: 30 days for the first rejection and 90 days for subsequent rejections. Use this time wisely to implement the changes needed to improve your channel. Focus on creating high-quality, original content that captivates your audience and adheres to YouTube's guidelines. As you navigate this process, patience is key. The road to monetization can be long and filled with challenges, but persistence will pay off. Stay committed to your vision and keep refining your craft. Regularly check your video metadata to ensure titles, descriptions, and thumbnails are compliant with YouTube policies. In the end, the journey to monetization is not just about meeting criteria. It's about building a community, sharing your passion, and creating something meaningful. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, and let each rejection propel you towards greater creativity and innovation. With dedication and a willingness to learn, you can turn setbacks into stepping stones on your path to success.